You can expect a lot from the 2018 Toyota RAV4. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.